Tech Kid here, and today I am going to be unboxing the OnePlus Nord, OnePlus's cheapest smartphone, and the Stephen Harington edition of the OnePlus Bud C. Told you I'd get him in-house. Let's start off with Buds. So these earbuds on the box have a bass boost apparently, 20 hours of battery life, they are water and sweat resistant, they are comfortable and a cool design, and seamless connection. Probably like OnePlus phones. Wow. Nice matte finish. USB Type-C. Nice, comfy. And then the paperwork with a non-Stephen Harington edition USB-C to A cable, just their standard red, which is very annoying. Actually, wow. Oh, they sound really nice too. Oh yeah. Just by this right now, these might be my new daily drivers. Look forward to a full review on these, for sure. Those are the Stephen Harington OnePlus Buds. Now for the OnePlus Nord N100. It only comes in one spec, and it is 64 gigs of storage and 4 gigs of RAM. Here it is. Packaging. Yeah. The paperwork and stuff. And the SIM tool. Yeah. Not as special as the OnePlus 8T unboxing. You do when it's $180. It is plastic. It is plastic for sure. But it's nice. Power. I don't know what. No, this is just a normal 5-watt power. Isn't this is like. I'll also check this out because I don't know what the full spec is. And then the OnePlus cord. That is the OnePlus Nord N100. Now this is a 16 megapixel camera. That is basically it. It is a 2 megapixel macro and a depth sensor as well. So nothing too crazy. It doesn't feel cheap. That's for sure. Oh, I'm already not liking it. There is no alert slider. No matter what. It's got 90 Hz though, so that's cool. The OnePlus Nord N100. Let's power it on. Ooh, that vibrator. No, I did not like that. It is turning on. Bezels are big. But it's just me nitpicking on 100. This is not even a $200 phone. This is a great phone. It looks great so far. It is a fingerprint magnet. That is for sure. I can feel the difference between the 4 gigs of RAM. There'll be a full review, and the review will be very special. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you in the next one. Talk to you again soon. Peace.